In front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll down to access sounds and vibration. Then scroll down right away and click on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way you will enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also tap on this switcher next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. Then, by clicking on this switcher next to haptic feedback, you can enable or disable haptic feedback to gestures and system controls. If you decide to enable it, you can also adjust intensity by swiping left or right on this haptic feedback level slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!